Good day. My name is Abu Sunday from Car Structure Technology. This video is in preparation for our upcoming program, GIS. The essence of this video is to actually demonstrate how you can install the program that we are going to use for that webinar, so that at the course of the webinar, you can be able to actually follow up some of the practical that we've done. Okay, so it's just a simple step. Okay, I've already downloaded the software. Okay, the name is QGIS. It's a GIS software. We have a different type of QGIS, but we'll be using this one mainly because it's an open source software. We'll hear more of this during the webinar. Okay, so I've already downloaded the software, and then I will also drop the link to the software in the distribution section of this video, so you can click on the link and then you download the software and install it. Okay, so how do you install the software? I've already downloaded it, as I say. This is QGIS 3.16. okay, so this is what we are going to use. So what you need to do, just after you open it on your link, just double click on the software. Okay, wait for it to load. Okay, you want to allow this app to make changes to your devices, so just say yes. Okay, and then you wait for it, and then you click on this is welcome to QGIS 3.10 Hanover setup. Okay, so I'll click on next. This is an agreement section. If you want to read through it, you can read through the agreement, and if you don't want to, just agree. This is the location where you are saving, you are installing the software. Okay, so that's a zip program. Okay, so you're inside your zip drive program file. Okay, so I will click on next. Okay, we leave it as QGIS. You don't need to select anything here. You don't need to install all this other data because you're not interested in this other country data, so you just leave it and click install. So you see, this is how you install it. As far as you install it, it will show on your desktop as a folder. Okay, so that is just a simple process on how it will install it. So if it finish installed, okay, if it finish installed, because I'll pause this video now and then I'll show you how it will be after installation. Okay, welcome back. So after installation, what you need to do is to check your desktop. You see a folder, like other software. If you install them, you see the icon of the software. Okay, all right, but this particular QGIS, it comes like a folder because there are some other installations or plugins that follow the software. Okay, so now, as you can see on my desktop here, I have a QGIS 3.16 folder. Okay, we see I have 3.10, I have 2.18. Okay, but we just installed the 3.16. Okay, so I'll open it. I'll open the folder. So as you can see, we have this QGIS 3.1, QGIS desktop 3.16. Okay, so we open. You just double click on this particular icon, so you wait for it to open. Although in terms of graphic level, there's no much requirement. Any software any system can actually take it. The only thing is that you have to put into consideration, possibly it work well with 64-bit. Okay, so but the higher your system, the better it is in terms of processing and fasting, for it to be fast and all that. Okay, so as you can see, it's installed, right? Okay, so we have this is the software. This is it. So you can click on new. So we have an empty page here. So I think you are ready for the webinar. Okay, after this, the Qgis is already in your system, so you are set for the webinar. Okay, so thank you very much, and I'll be very happy to see you there. Thank you.